Hello, I hope you guys are all doing well. It's me, 𝐖𝐢𝐠, and I'm back with a new video. So I have a new one from OMGHERHAIR, and I will leave all the details and information in the info section below. But this is one of their new super fine high definition clean bleach hairline lace wig, and this is their 3-in-1. So it goes from straight to curly. You can also achieve a kinky straight look if you flat iron it straight, so you guys will see me do that later on in this video. However, once again, this is the wig that I have. The wig that I have is 20 inches long, 180% density. It has that 13 by 6 inch high definition lace. And once again, this is their 3-in-1 lace front wig. This is what it looks like. You guys see that the knots are completely invisible. It's already pre-bleached, pre-plucked. It is ready to go directly out of the box. Absolutely no work other than just spraying it down with a little bit of water to achieve a curly look. You guys will see me do that later on in the video, but I just want to show you guys what this wig looks like prior to me doing anything to it. So I'm going to go in and flat iron one side of this wig just to kind of let you guys see what this wig looks like in the kinky straight texture. I am going to use a little bit of heat protectant as well as a serum just to kind of give this wig more shine while also protecting it. And then I'm going to go in, use my hot comb, use my flat iron, and get this as straight as possible. If you wait till the end, you know. You can always start a lie from the back when the real thing's really slow. Sweet healing, it's so rare. Pierce through this cold air. Evil soul exposing their ways. Eagle soar to the coast, here to save us. Breathe, 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 You should never play a mind game, ain't worth the lies, babe, they're gonna know. You can always turn around from a chest, cause the winner's first gonna show. So now that I flat ironed one side of the wig, I'm gonna go ahead and get the wig on now. I just threw on a black stocking cap. If you guys been watching our channel for some time, y'all know that black stocking caps just works really good for me. You can use a nude color tone if you want to, but just black works for me. So now I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on. You guys notice a high definition lace. You guys notice that the hairline is nice and bleached and clean. So everything is completely meltable. I'm going to go ahead and remove that excess lace. And you guys notice that I kind of do like that zigzag type of motion in order to give it a very realistic blend. And I apologize, my camera just kept focusing and unfocusing. I don't know what's going on. I think it's focused on the pillow in the background, but just try to ignore that for now. So now that I have the lace cut off, I went ahead and just applied a little bit of foundation just because I wanted this melt to be just be great. So I added a little bit of foundation, and I'm finally going to use the provided elastic strap. I always have this with my wig, and I never think to use it, but because I wanted this melt to be magnificent, I went ahead and applied that just so you can get a customizable fit. So I went ahead and applied that. Putting the wig back on, you guys notice it just melts right on in. If you choose not to use any sort of adhesive or sprays, you do not have to use it. But I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of my 𝐼𝐸 spray, and this is like my second time using this spray. I don't know how I feel about it. I think I just like my Melt Me Down spray. I have history with it and it works for me. However, I noticed a lot of you guys recommended the spray to me. I don't know how I feel about it. It took me like a whole week to get the glue out of my hair, but I mean, it is what it is. I'm going to continue to keep using it to see how I like it. But you guys, get into this wig. The left side is the flat iron side. You guys notice that it does resemble kinky straight hair, whereas the opposite side looks more so like a blown out look. So when you do wash your wig, all you really have to do is just blow dry it, and then you have it in its original texture. But now I'm going to go ahead and clip this side away, and then I'm going to spray some water on the opposite side to see what these curls look like.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it.
So I literally just sprayed water and then scrunched up the hair, and you guys see how easy it was for this hair to go from straight to curly. It's giving wet and wavy on the beach, you know, exotic, fresh out of the shower look, and I'm here for it. You guys notice the original texture and then the wet and wavy texture. It's so pretty, and I can only imagine if you were to add a little bit of product to it, how absolutely gorgeous this texture would look. So I'm going to go ahead and spray the other side, and once again I'm just using water. I'm doing a little bit of the scrunching method, and you guys just see how voila, no, it's all curly now. I'm going to use my diffuser, and I'm going to attempt to dry this hair. I am going to leave this hair slightly wet because I was afraid that I was going to pick up some frizz. But if you do decide to diffuse your hair dry, make sure that you use a styler. That's going to keep the hair from frizzing up, and then it's going to give you the optimum amount of definition, and it's going to look super gorgeous. But once again, this is what the hair looks like, wet and wavy, curly. Once again, it is like 90% dry. It's just the ends that are still a little wet. You guys can see a little bit of water on my shirt. I wish I caught that when I was filming a video. I would have definitely changed my shirt. But once again, this is what the hair looks like. You guys do check out OMGHERHAIR. I will have all the information and details located in the info section below. Use discount code 𝐖𝐢𝐠10 to save an additional $10 off when you spend $100 or more. Let me know what you guys think about this one, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.
Original Batman.